Welcome to this demonstration of RocketPly. RocketPly is an information management console designed for job seekers, which allows for the management of resumes, cover letters, and calendars right within Dropbox. This is the RocketPly console. It's divided into three main parts: the Dropbox file selectors, the cover letter template preview pane, and the job profile data form. Let's take a moment to see how RocketPly uses Dropbox as a resource. Here in my File Explorer below, I've located RocketPly in Dropbox Apps. RocketPly provides two folders, one for your cover letter templates and the other for resumes. In this resumes folder, I have three. These three files are available to me in the console in the Resume to Use drop-down selector. The same goes for cover letter templates. The files I store here are available in the console from the cover letter template drop-down. RocketPly imposes no limit on the number of files you can use for resumes or cover letter templates. When using the console, select the resume version that best fits the job to which you are applying. The same goes for the cover letter template. Cover letter templates are customizable in any number of ways through the use of merge tags. The date, company name, job title, and location merge tags are system merge tags. These will always be present in the job profile data form. You may include as many merge tags in your cover letter depending on the data you want to capture. Now let's put the console to work. Here I found this director position at Moss Adams in Seattle. I'm going to copy the entirety of the job description, take note of the HR manager name, and research the company address for Moss Adams. Now I'm ready to use the console. I simply fill out the form, paste the job description here, and copy and paste the URL to where I need to apply from LinkedIn. And now I create a Rocket packet. Let's see what happens. Here I see that both Dropbox and Gmail have given us notifications that a Rocket packet has been created. In addition, RocketPly has made a simple entry into a tracking table on the RocketPly website. But the real magic has happened back here on my own computer thanks to Dropbox. Here in RocketPly, I find the new folder has been created. This is the Rocket packet for the director position. Rocket packet contents are highly predictable. Let's go through them. The first two files are calendar item files. These are post-dated 7 days from the date of processing to remind me to follow up on this position. The first file is for Google users. The second is an ICS file for users of Outlook, Thunderbird, and Yahoo Calendar. The third file is a cover letter draft. Our template has been converted to a draft in one fell swoop by the use of the console. The fourth file is the job description. This is the actual text that we copied and pasted from the LinkedIn page. Fifth, we have the resume. The resume contents have not been modified at all. The resume has merely been renamed to something that's appropriate to give to an HR manager. And lastly, we have the URL file that takes us to the application portal or the LinkedIn page, depending on our choice. Now let's inspect the cover letter. I can tell that the console has done its job by blending all of my data straight into my template. Now it's up to me to proofread and customize this cover letter. And when I've done so, I'm going to save it with a proper file name. Now we're ready to apply to the job. The URL I pasted into the console was to the Taleo site provided to me from LinkedIn. Now I'll proceed. Here I've already uploaded my resume. Now it's time to upload my cover letter. Because the console has organized all of my documents into one location regarding this position, my search time for these documents now and in the future is small. Now that I've applied for the position, it's time to schedule some follow-up. Since I'm a Google user, I'm going to use the first shortcut. Calendar items are dated 7 days from the date of processing. However, these dates are open to edit based on your preference. And here's the same calendar item in the ICS file as seen in Outlook. As the days advance in your job search, the organizational benefits of having Rocket Packets as a natural archive are realized. So that's RocketPly, a supremely organized job search in one easy-to-use console. Find out more at RocketPly.com.